huge ball of yarn, and you take a thread and you make it as long as you want the tail, and you're going to make 50 pieces of that. Okay. Once you get the 50 pieces, you're going to braid it. You're going to cut it at the bottom so that they're loose, but at the top you can leave them all attached. And you're just going to braid it all the way down. It should be about the length you want it. If it's too long, then just cut the end off. After you braid it, you're going to start making this part here, which is basically the whole tail. So this is the base and it turns into this. You're going to grab your thread. You're going to about drop it to the end of your hand. Kind of spread your fingers out, make it bigger if you want the hair longer. And you just wrap that around your hand. How many times you wrap it depends how thick you want the hair. I wrap it 20 times around, but you can wrap it, if you have really thick wool, then you wrap it, I don't know, 10 times. If you have really, really thin wool, wrap it 30 times, you know, just use your judgment, experiment. Once you get wrapped around 20 times, cut that thread, hold it in the middle like this, then cut right here. Then you're going to take those two strands like this, and you're going to tie a knot right in the middle. Then you're going to take your handicap brush and you're going to start combing out the ends so they look like this. So you take one of these, you kind of prop it on your leg, spread it out, and comb it out. You want to start at the ends, make sure you're making them all kind of frizzy looking. You see they're starting like that. It does take a really long time to make this. Just keep combing it and combing it. It starts to get like that, eventually gets like that, and then it turns into that. Once you get both ends combed out, you want to make sure you leave one strand on each side, the tie, because you're going to use that to tie it onto the base. You just want to fill holes. So you see I've got quite a few on here already. You can see the knots. Right around there, right there. So you just want to find a hole. Right there's a good hole. You just put the knot right there and tie it on the other side, just with a regular knot. And you keep making them until you fill your whole tail.